MetroBank Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. MetroBank offer a range of retirement planning tools and products tailored to Filipino investors. Their offering include the personal equity and retirement account, which is the PERA, Retire Smart Insurance, and a various plan option through the Honest app. So these products are designed to help individuals save and invest for a comfortable retirement. And here are the key features about this platform, which comes with a personal liquidity and retirement account. We have access to that. We also come with a retirement smart, retire smart, and then Honest app. It's a digital platform provided by Access MetroBank Unity Investment, which help you personalize your investment recommendation based on the risk assessment, following the users to subscribe to investments that match their needs and lifestyle. I'm talking about the pros and cons. It is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform, which is especially the retirement planner, for you to know which one is best for your personal needs. So talking about the pros, which is the advantages part. So it has a good side, which is the tax advantage and the comprehensive planning and the digital assessment. So talking about the downside, which is the complexity of the investment linked plan and a market volatility, together with availability of information, which is the detailed information on certain products may not be readily available online, which require a prospect client to engage directly with the MetroBank representative for comprehensive details. So that's it. So if you have a further question or need information on other retirement planning tools, feel free to comment down below.